So some of the seeds that I'll be planting in the spring came in the mail today, so I just thought I'd share with you what I'm going to be growing this spring. And make sure you follow along with me if you're a new gardener. I will be sharing exactly how I plant all these seeds and what my processes are and how I do it. Some of these I start indoors, some of them I start outdoors, and just follow along, and I'll be giving you step-by-step instructions and tips along the way. So I do get most of my seeds from MI Gardener and True Leaf Market are the two places that I like to get my seeds from. And I'll just share with you some of the seeds that I'm growing. Here's some of my peppers. These I saved myself, so you follow along and I'll show you how I save my seeds. I already have a couple videos on that. So I have banana peppers, cayenne, chili, and jalapeno peppers. These are some beans. You can't tell from the front of the package, but these are some beans that I'll be growing. And then we have some basil and some different varieties of red onion and yellow onion. Here, these I saved myself from onion. I can show you how to do that. Here's some tomatoes. So this is a giant crimson tomato. If you follow MI Gardener online, this is a very rare tomato, so there's only 5 seeds in this pack. But this is the first time I'll be trying this kind of tomato. And then I usually do a delicious tomato. Those tend to work well for me in my growing area, and beefsteak. And then I have all kinds of lettuce, different kinds of lettuce. I won't go through every type, but I do like to do a variety of lettuce for salads. And then Ashley cucumber. This will be the first time I'm trying this kind of cucumber. The other kind that I usually try was out of stock, so I just thought I'd try a new kind. And some carrots, and cilantro, and parsley. So make sure you follow along. I will also be trying strawberries this year as well. So follow along, and I will be showing you how I do all these plants in the spring in my own garden. Thanks.